how to find Reels drafts on Instagram. Now, the very straightforward way to find the drafts on Instagram or Reel drafts on Instagram is to tap on the profile icon on the lower corner right here. And as you can see, other than the post itself, there is a section that gives off every reel that you have posted on your profile. You just have to click on that, and you will be able to see the drafts that you have on your Instagram. Only the person who owns the account will be able to see their draft. So you just have to tap on the drafts right here, and now you can edit the reels that you have drafted on your account. Let's say this one. You can edit this by tapping on edit right here and edit this like usual. Right there. And you can also post this reel that you have drafted on Instagram. So that's how to find Reels drafts on Instagram. Hope we help.